In this video, you're going to learn about centimeters, meters, and kilometers. So first, let's look at a meter stick. So here's a picture of a meter stick, and you have some in the classroom. And what's important to know about a meter stick is that a meter stick is pretty large. So 1 meter is pretty big. It's not like a ruler, it's much bigger. Now let's take a look at a centimeter. So we've zoomed into our meter stick and we're looking at just part of it, and we're looking at 1 centimeter. And a fingernail is about a centimeter long. So that gives us an idea of how long a centimeter is. A dime is about 2 centimeters long. So take a minute and look around and think, what else is about a centimeter? And you can see in my sentence, I abbreviated centimeter to cm. So think, what else is about a centimeter? And go ahead and pause the video and write down in your journal something that's about a centimeter. Okay, this is really important, so I need you to listen and I want you to write this down too. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So there's our meter stick again. And if you look at the numbers, there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So 100 centimeters and 1 meter are the same thing. All right, so let's go back to our meter. Now here's a picture of a full meter stick. From the floor to an adult's waist is about 1 meter. So that's about 100 centimeters. A door is about 1 meter wide. So that gives you an idea of how big a meter is, or how big 100 centimeters is. So go ahead and think, what else is about 1 meter long? And pause the video and write down something else that you think is about 1 meter. Okay, now think of that meter stick. If we put 1,000 of those together, it would be a kilometer. So 1,000 meters and a kilometer are about the same thing. So from your classroom to the street and past is about a kilometer, because it would take 1,000 meter sticks to get there. This is really important information to know. 1,000 meters is a kilometer, and 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So I have a chart here, and I want you to copy this chart into your journal. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just make sure that you have these numbers, and I want you to complete the chart. So if you look at the chart, it says 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters. So if I have 2 meters, that's the same as 200 centimeters. So think, what would 3 meters be the same as? And I want you to copy this chart down and complete it. So go ahead and pause the video to do that. All right, now if I look at this chart, I'm seeing kilometers and meters. And so remember, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So then I think, what's 2 kilometers? And that's 2,000 meters. So I want you to think, well, what is 3 kilometers? And put that here. What's 4,000 meters? Put that here. And complete this chart in your journal.